Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use randommoviegenerator.com to generate random movies and films you can watch. Alright, so if you have no idea what kind of movies you want to watch, a great website you can use is randommoviegenerator.com. I will link it in the description below. It's a really simple website. All you have to do is select a genre of the movie you want to watch, so action, comedy, drama, horror, romance or science fiction. And once you have selected a genre, a movie genre, just click on generate random movie, and as you can see it will give you a nice poster of the movie, the average review of the movie when it was taken, and a brief description of the movie with stars, with the cast of the movie, so who are the actors and actresses. So as I mentioned, you can change the type of movies you want to watch and then click on generate, and it will generate a new completely random movie. By the way, if you want to watch movies completely free, I will link some free trial offers of popular streaming services like Amazon Prime that you can get for 30 days for free, or Paramount Plus or Netflix, so make sure to check those links out as well. And of course I will also leave randommoviegenerator.com in the description below, so you can generate random movies and films for yourself to watch. If you have any other idea how we can improve this website, what kind of other features you want to have, make sure to leave a comment below. But all in all, this is how you can use the randommoviegenerator.com to generate random movies for you to watch.